Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about accessing user satisfaction with virtual data rooms. Accessing user satisfaction with virtual data rooms (VDR) is an essential aspect of evaluating their effectiveness and identification implements. To access user satisfaction, you can consider several key factors and methods. Number 1. User feedback. Gather feedback directly from VDR user through surveys, queries, and interview. Ask a specific question about their experience with the VDR. Uses analytics. Analyze uses data to understand how users interact with VDR. Evaluates metrics such as the number of logins, documents, uploads, and downloads. Support request. Monitors support requests and inquiries related to their VDR. Analyze the types of issues are encountered, the frequency of supported. Comprehensive analysis. Compare user satisfaction level with other similar VDR solutions in the market. Look for industry benchmark to conduct. Net Promoter Scores (NPS) implements the Net Promoter Score methodology by user likely their continuous improvement. So, implement the Net Promoter Score methodology by asking users how likely they are recommended to VDR to other NPS that addressing gain point and enhancing user satisfaction. Regularly gather feedback and monitor user satisfaction over time to identify trend and track implements. Use the insight gained to make iterative change the VDR, addressing pain point and satisfied. By considering these factors and methods, you can access user satisfaction with virtual data rooms and gain valuable insight, improve the VDR experience for your users. Thank you so much for watching my video.